Tired of the same humdrum sights? Has Erlinth lost its charm? Sick of fighting the Ulthoi hordes? Then come to Aphis LaSalle. Take in the local color. See the unusual flora and fauna. Explore ancient mysteries left by Acheron's people with discoveries only you can find. Purchase wares to take home for family and friends. Yes, escape the ordinary. Escape to Aphis LaSalle. Ooh, that's gotta hurt.